What's up, YouTube? Welcome to the Credit Plug channel where we talk about how to build credit, how to establish relationships with banks and financial institutions, and most importantly, how to get you access to high limit credit funding. If you're new to our channel, we welcome you to hit that subscribe button. Otherwise, you can like, share, or comment down below. It helps our content reach a wider audience, and we appreciate the support. So in today's video, we have another credit union review. Now, credit unions are probably my favorite type of financial institution. They're usually very generous in the limits that they give you on credit cards and loans, and their products and services are generally just geared towards helping their members get ahead financially. So in today's video, we're going to be reviewing Kinecta Federal Credit Union. So Kinecta Federal Credit Union is based out of Manhattan Beach, California, and they're actually the 9th or 10th largest credit union in the state of California with about 5.6 billion in assets. So they're a pretty sizable credit union. So before I go over their products and services, I just wanted to say that this review is for informational purposes. We're not telling or recommending or advising anyone to apply, so definitely use your own discretion. Now, in terms of some of the data points, they will be pulling your check systems. Now, a lot of credit unions use check systems when you're opening up a demand deposit account, which is a checking or savings account. So one thing that you could do as good practice is just to pull your check systems reports. So you can go into check systems just to see what information is on check systems. And the reason why I say this is because with some credit unions, especially when you're applying out of state, if they're unable to verify information like your address, your name, etc., or any information that's on your check systems report, then sometimes they may require you to come in person, and that would be problematic, especially if you're out of state and you're unable to go in person. So just making sure your information is congruent. So that's just a good practice. So unfortunately, they do use check systems. However, they do not hard pull for membership. So there's no hard inquiry on any major credit reporting agency when you're joining. They're just using your check systems report. And then in terms of their lending decision, they do use Experian exclusively, with the exception of mortgage loans where they'll pull all three of your credit bureaus. But for loans, lines of credit, credit cards, they're using Experian. So that's just something to keep in mind. Now, let's go over some of their credit products. I'm going to jump over to their website in a second. But in terms of the credit products they offer, they have a wide variety of different credit cards. They have a rewards credit card. They have a low interest credit card. They also have two rebuilder types of credit cards, your traditional secure credit card. One great thing about the secure credit card is that there is a path to graduation, but there's no specific timeline, and it's going to vary on the individual's credit profile and their history with Kinecta Federal Credit Union. And then they also have a different credit card that is more geared towards people who are new to credit. So it's an unsecured credit card with a $1,000 limit. So if you are new to credit, you could definitely check that one out. And then they also have a business credit card. So with the business credit card, your business does need to be registered in the state of California. I talked about this in other videos. One way around that is doing what's called a foreign entity registration. A foreign entity registration is just where you're able to have your business legally recognized in a different state. So that's just one of the requirements. And a lot of credit unions, their business accounts and business products usually are a little bit more restrictive geographically versus their personal accounts where they may be open to anyone throughout the United States. So anyways, let's go jump over to their website and I'll walk you through their different products and services. All right, so here we are on Kinecta.org. Now, first I wanted to go over the eligibility criteria, right? So right here, they have to become a member today. So you can have a family or household member who is already a Kinecta member. You could work for one of their select employer groups. You live, work, or attend school in a select zip code in Southern California. And if none of those apply, then you could just select 4, which is join the InnoVision Society, and Kinecta will cover your one-time $10 membership. So this is going to be the method that most people, if you're out of state, you're going to be able to join. So I just wanted to go over that. All right, so let's check out the Kinecta Federal Credit Union credit cards. Now, as I mentioned, they offer 5 different credit cards. So first, let's check out the Rewards My Perks credit card. Now, this particular credit card offers 3% cash back on gas, 2% cash back on groceries, 1% cash back on everything else. And then they have a relationship bonus reward up to 20% of your cash back rewards every single year. Rates from 9.99% to 18%. And then they also have a 0% balance transfer promotional offer. So when you transfer your balance within the first 90 days, you get 0% introductory APR for 18 months. There is a 3% balance transfer fee that will apply, or $10 minimum, whichever one is higher. So you will be paying the 3%, but you do get 0% for 18 months. Now let's go check out their other credit cards. So the no fee My Power has zero fee. So they have zero annual fee, zero late fee, zero balance transfer fee, zero cash advance fee, and zero foreign transaction fee. So that offers a lot of benefits. Now they have a promotional balance transfer offer of 2.99% for 18 months. But remember, there's no balance transfer fee. So it's just a 2.99% for 18 months. So this is a pretty good offer as well. Check out the My Pro Business Rewards. They offer 3% cash back on office supplies and gas, 2% on business, and 1% on all others. They also offer the relationship bonus up to 20% cashback rewards every single year, rates from 9.99% to 18%. And they also have a 0% balance transfer offer for 18 months. So this is another great offer. Next up, let's check out the established credit. So this particular credit card is for new credit. So if you don't have any credit history, that's not going to be a problem. If you're trying to establish your initial credit history, this is the credit card for you. It's an unsecured credit card up to $1,000. They have another credit card as well that's used for rebuilding credit. So this is going to be the Rebuild Credit My Plan. This is the traditional secured credit card. So you can pledge a minimum of $500, and that serves as your credit limit. And then you can upgrade to an unsecured after establishing a responsible credit history, as it says right here. Upgrade to an unsecured card. Now, there's no specific timeline, so it's all going to vary on when your credit profile meets their underwriting criteria. So Kinecta also offers personal loans and personal lines of credit. So their personal loans go as low as 7.74% APR. Their personal line of credit goes as low as 7.99% APR, which is pretty good. Now, the limits are between $1,000 all the way up to $25,000 with terms as long as 60 months for their personal loans. And then for their signature personal line of credit, minimum of $1,000 all the way up to $25,000. There's no annual fee, and this is unsecured, so there's no security deposit or any collateral that's required. Now, they also offer secured lending option as well. So they have a secured installment loan, and then they have a one-time pay loan. So this is basically when you're short on funds for 1 month, you basically would pay off the entire loan with one payment. So they have a variety of different loan products for you. All right, so let's recap real quick. So Kinecta Federal Credit Union membership eligibility is wide open, so there's no geographic restrictions. You can just join through their affiliated nonprofit. That gets you in. They do pull check systems, and they're using Experian for all of their credit decisions. Now, they have a wide variety of different credit cards. Right now, they have a ton of 0% introductory offers on balance transfers, so up to 18 months with 0% and a balance transfer of 3%. But then they also have a balance transfer of 2.99% and zero annual fee, zero balance transfer fee. So they have a host of different credit cards. They have a rebuilder credit card. They also have a secured credit card that can graduate to an unsecured credit card. They have a personal line of credit that goes up to $25,000. Personal loans up to $25,000, and they even have secured installment loans. So they have a variety of different credit products for you to choose from. If anyone's interested in joining it, I posted a link down in the description of the video. That's all I wanted to share in today's video. Until next time, y'all take it easy, and we'll talk to you soon. Peace.